Welcome to Daily IQ. In this video, I will teach you top 30 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. Where was the world's largest coral colony recently discovered? Answer is Solomon Islands. Researchers recently discovered the world's largest coral colony in the Solomon Islands. The Solomon Islands are a Pacific archipelago of nearly 1,000 islands, with 6 main islands and over 900 smaller ones, covering 461,000 square kilometers. It is located in the southwestern Pacific Ocean. It borders Vanuatu to the southeast and Papua New Guinea to the west. The terrain is mostly mountainous with forests. Question number 2. Which state's Karimganj district would be renamed to Shribhumi? Answer is Assam. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma announced that Karimganj district in the state would be renamed to Shribhumi to honor Rabindranath Tagore. Over 100 years ago, Kabiguru Rabindranath Tagore had described modern-day Karimganj district in Assam as Shribhumi, the land of Ma Lakshmi. Karimganj district is now officially Shribhumi district, and Karimganj town is renamed Shribhumi town. Question number 3. Which state was given the Best Marine State Award at the 2024 World Fisheries Day? Answer is Kerala. Kerala was honored with the Best Marine State Award for its contribution to the country's fisheries and aquaculture sector growth. On the occasion of World Fisheries Day 2024, the Department of Fisheries, under the Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying, honored many states, districts, and individuals for their contribution in a ceremony organized in New Delhi on 21 November 2024. Question number 4. Which state has topped the 4th National Fin Swimming Championship in 2024? Answer is West Bengal. West Bengal swimmers ruled the pool with full dominance in the 4th National Fin Swimming Championship 2024 to win the team championship crown with a total of 151 medals, including 67 gold, 43 silver, and 41 bronze medals. Runners-up, Karnataka, were far behind with a total of 50 medals. Their swimmers won 17 gold, 18 silver, and 15 bronze medals. Uttarakhand secured the 3rd place with 21 medals. They won 8 gold, 6 silver, and 7 bronze medals. Question number 5. Which country became the official partner for the 25th Hornbill Festival, alongside Wales? Answer is Japan. Japan has been announced as the official partner country for the 25th edition of Nagaland's renowned Hornbill Festival, alongside Wales, which was confirmed earlier. The Hornbill Festival is an annual cultural event in Nagaland, celebrated from December 1st to 10th at Kisma Heritage Village near Kohima. Organized by the government of Nagaland, it highlights the vibrant cultural heritage of the state. Question number 6. Which union minister has launched India's first AI data bank? Answer is Jitendra Singh. The Ministry of Science and Technology has launched India's first artificial intelligence data bank that is aimed at propelling innovation and boosting the country's national security. The launch was by Minister Jitendra Singh at the 7th ASSOCHAM AI Leadership Meet 2024, themed AI for India, Advancing AI Development, Innovation, Ethics, and Governance. The AI Data Bank supports real-time analytics for satellite, drone, and IoT data to enhance national security. Question number 7. How much loan amount has been sanctioned by ADB to support the Assam solar project? Answer is $434.25 million. The Asian Development Bank, ADB, has approved a $434.25 million loan, around 3,600 crore rupees, to fund the Assam solar project. The loan will help Assam increase its renewable energy capacity and improve energy security. The Assam government has set a target to develop and install solar energy capacity to achieve its target of 3,000 megawatts by 2030. Question number 8. Which country has recently approved a new constitution? Answer is Gabon. A historic referendum was held in Gabon, in which 91% of voters voted in favor of the new constitution. The aim of this constitution is to end the 55 years of hereditary rule and ensure the restoration of democratic civilian government. The constitution introduces a two-term presidential limit, each term lasting 7 years. It abolishes the position of Prime Minister and bans family succession to the presidency. Question number 9. Who has been appointed as the Andhra Cricket Association Women's Cricket Mentor? Answer is Mithali Raj. Mithali Raj, the former captain of India's women's cricket team, has been appointed as the mentor for women's cricket operations by the Andhra Cricket Association. There is a 3-year contract between Mithali Raj and Andhra Cricket Association. Mithali retired from international cricket in 2022. Question number 10. Uma Das Gupta has passed away recently. Who was she? Answer is actress. Uma Das Gupta had died on 18 November 2024 at the age of 84. She is renowned for her role as Durga in Satyajit Ray's cinematic masterpiece Patha Panchali. Patha Panchali is a 1955 Indian Bengali language drama film written and directed by Satyajit Ray in his directorial debut and produced by the government of West Bengal. It is an adaptation of Bibhuti Bhushan Bandyopadhyay's 1929 Bengali novel of the same name. Question number 11. Who won the Women's Blitz title at the Tata Steel Chess India Tournament 2024? Answer is Katerina Lagno. Russian Grandmaster Katerina Lango won the Women's Blitz title at the Tata Steel Chess India Tournament 2024. Katerina Lagno emerged victorious with 11.5 points, followed by Valentina Gunina with 11 points. Question number 12. How many new branches will SBI open in financial year 2024-25? Answer is 500. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced that State Bank of India, SBI, will expand its network by opening 500 new branches, reaching a total of 23,000 branches by financial year 2024-25. State Bank of India, SBI, is an Indian multinational public sector bank and financial services statutory body headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra. It is the 48th largest bank in the world by total assets and ranked 178th in the Fortune Global 500 list of the world's biggest corporations of 2024, being the only Indian bank on the list. Question number 13. Which city is the venue of Global Freight Summit 2024? Answer is Dubai. The Global Freight Summit 2024 commenced in Dubai, marking its third edition since its inception in 2022. The 3-day event, hosted by DP World, has attracted more than 5,000 industry leaders from 155 countries, representing diverse sectors of the global supply chain industry. The theme of this summit is Acting Today to Reach the Opportunities of Tomorrow. Question number 14. Who has been elected as president of the International Mind Sports Association? Answer is Nandan Kumar Jha. India's Nandan Kumar Jha has been appointed as the new president of the International Mind Sports Association an organization dedicated to the governance and promotion of mind sports globally. The International Mind Sports Association, which has over 200 member countries, works with the International Olympic Committee, IOC, and other affiliate global sports federations to integrate mind sports into mainstream global sports. Question number 15. Where is recently showcased the replica of the original handwritten Indian Constitution manuscript? Answer is Sharjah. The 43rd Sharjah International Book Fair has hosted the National Book Trust of India's showcase of a replica of the original handwritten Indian Constitution manuscript. The 43rd edition of the Sharjah International Book Fair, held from 6 to 17 November at the Expo Center Sharjah, City of the United Arab Emirates. The replica on display is certified by the Lok Sabha Secretariat and is an A3-sized copy of the Constitution of India. Question number 16. Who became Japan's 103rd Prime Minister after Fumio Kishida stepped down? Answer is Shigeru Ishiba. Shigeru Ishiba, leader of Japan's ruling Liberal Democratic Party, took office as Japan's 103rd Prime Minister at the age of 67, succeeding Fumio Kishida, who resigned amid scandals. Shigeru Ishiba has been a member of the House of Representatives since 1986 and became the president of the Liberal Democratic Party in 2024. Question number 17. Which Indian state has officially declared snakebite envenomation as notifiable disease? Answer is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu has taken a significant step in addressing snakebite envenomation by declaring it a notifiable disease under the Tamil Nadu Public Health Act of 1939. Snakebite envenomation is a life-threatening medical condition caused by venomous snake bites. The World Health Organization, WHO, has also launched initiatives to combat snakebite envenoming globally, aiming to reduce mortality and morbidity by half by 2030. Question number 18. Who is collaborating with ISRO to develop the NISAR satellite? Answer is NASA. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, is partnering with the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, to develop the NASA-ISRO Synthetic Aperture Radar, NISAR satellite. Scheduled to launch in 2025, NISAR will utilize dual-frequency radar to monitor the Earth's surface, providing valuable insights into ecosystems, ice masses, and natural hazards. Question number 19. Who is the first Indian cricketer to score centuries in consecutive T20 international innings? Answer is Sanju Samson. Sanju Samson made history by becoming the first Indian cricketer to achieve the impressive milestone of scoring centuries in consecutive T20 international innings. Samson has played 30 innings in T20 international and has only recently started to open. He has scored 701 runs at an impressive strike rate of 152. Recently, Tilak Verma joined Samson in this elite list to score 3 consecutive hundreds in T20s. Question number 20. Who became the first Indian to score over 150 runs in a T20 match? Answer is Tilak Verma. Team India batter Tilak Verma on 23 November 2024 etched his name into cricketing history with a jaw-dropping 151 off just 67 balls in the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy. With this, he became the first Indian to score over 150 runs in a T20 match. Tilak also became the first ever batter to score 3 consecutive centuries in T20 cricket, following back-to-back hundreds against South Africa in the recently concluded T20 Internationals series. Question number 21. Who has partnered with NASA to create Earth Copilot, an AI-powered chatbot? Answer is Microsoft. Microsoft has collaborated with NASA to develop Earth Copilot, a revolutionary AI-driven chatbot that simplifies access to complex Earth science data. Currently in its prototype phase, Earth Copilot is being tested by NASA scientists and researchers. Leveraging Microsoft's Azure cloud platform and natural language processing, Earth Copilot allows users to interact with over 100 petabytes of satellite imagery and geospatial data using plain language queries. Question number 22. Which country has launched the Global Energy Efficiency Alliance during COP29? Answer is UAE. The UAE launched the Global Energy Efficiency Alliance during COP29 in Azerbaijan, aiming to double global energy efficiency rates by 2030. This initiative reflects the UAE's leadership in promoting sustainable energy practices and reducing emissions globally. The initiative builds on the UAE consensus from COP28, a commitment that brings together countries, organizations, and corporations to reduce carbon emissions and promote sustainable resource management. Question number 23. Sea Vigil 24 is a defense exercise was conducted by which country? Answer is India. The Indian Navy has conducted the 4th Pan-India Coastal Defence Exercise Sea Vigil 24 on November 20th to 21st, 2024. The exercise covers 7,500 kilometers of coastline along the Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, and Bay of Bengal. This large-scale exercise involves 6 ministries, 21 organizations, and covers all coastal states, union territories, Lakshadweep, and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Question number 24. The rare bird, scarlet tanager, was recently spotted in which country? Answer is United Kingdom. The rare scarlet tanager was recently seen in the UK for the first time in 40 years. It is native to North America. Its scientific name is Pyranga olivacea. It breeds in deciduous forests and migrates to tropical forests in Central and South America for winter. The bird is medium-sized, about 7 inches long, with a large head, short tail, and thick bill for catching insects and fruit. Question number 25. Super Typhoon Mani has hit which country recently? Answer is Philippines. Super Typhoon Mani is the 4th typhoon to hit the Philippines in less than 2 weeks, resulting in at least 8 deaths as landslides and storm surges were triggered by intense winds and rains. It had powerful winds reach 195 km per hour and struck Catanduanes province. The typhoon left at least 3 villagers missing, destroyed houses, and caused widespread power outages. Entire towns lost power, and many villagers were displaced. Question number 26. A new species of crocodile newt, Siao Bank crocodile newt, has been discovered in. Answer is Vietnam. The Siao Bank crocodile newt, or Tylototriton coliensis, is a newly discovered species found in Vietnam. It inhabits mountainous forests at elevations over 3,300 feet, experiencing both dry and rainy seasons. These medium-sized newts are around 5 inches long, with stout, rough bodies and crocodile-like, knobby skin. Question number 27. The Eastern Maritime Corridor, EMC, connects which two cities of India and Russia? Answer is Chennai and Vladivostok. The Chennai-Vladivostok Eastern Maritime Corridor, EMC, is now operational, transporting oil, food, and machinery. The EMC links Russia's east coast with South India, reducing cargo transit time by up to 16 days and distance by 40%. The Chennai-Vladivostok route is only 5,647 nautical miles, saving 5,608 kilometers and reducing logistical costs. Question number 28. Which endangered species is being protected under the Dolphin Ambulance Initiative? Answer is Ganga dolphins. The Dolphin Ambulance Initiative, launched by the National Mission for Clean Ganga (NMCG), focuses on rescuing and protecting Ganga dolphins, the national aquatic animal of India. This species is crucial for the ecological health of the Ganga River. The project, with a budget of 1 crore rupees, aims to create awareness about dolphin conservation and equip communities to handle dolphin-related emergencies. Question number 29. Which Indian state is home to the Dinosaur Fossil Park and Museum, proposed for a UNESCO Global Geoparks tag? Answer is Gujarat. Gujarat's Dinosaur Fossil Park and Museum, located in Rayoli village, is being advocated for a UNESCO Global Geoparks tag, recognizing its significance as a geological heritage site. The park boasts an impressive collection of dinosaur fossils, one of the largest in the world. Gujarat, along with Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra, is renowned for its rich dinosaur fossil deposits, including skeletons and eggs, shedding light on India's prehistoric past. Question number 30. Who has launched India's first direct-to-device satellite internet service? Answer is BSNL. BSNL launched India's first direct-to-device satellite internet service, aiming to bridge the digital divide in remote areas. The service provides high-speed internet without the need for traditional infrastructure, using advanced satellite technology. The launch allows users to make emergency calls, send SOS messages, and make UPI payments when there's no cellular or Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.